triggers Henry. Let's have a look at the Henry. Flashes the Henry. And it's having the Commando stripped off. And it's having...
replacing it with...
the Vibram. Lovely. Somebody loves the Vibram. That's great. Fantastic. And you got that absolutely right. We're not...
We hope so.
Yeah? Do you want to check the paperwork?
No. Quietly confident. No.
Yeah? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. You just got tickets muddled up.
Beautiful. Brand spanking heel stack.
Wow. And that's the best way to get the heel stack off, is it?
Quickest,
Yeah.
easiest. Oops.
Yeah. Reusable?
Yeah, top piece will be.
Hmm.
Yeah. Right, let's scour a few of these nails.
Okay.
Scouring top to the stitch up.
Are you putting any white stitching in the top afterwards, or?
No, just black.
It's lovely with the white.
Yeah, wouldn't it?
What about putting a white one in and then, if you don't like it, or do you not? So that unit is totally goose now.
Yeah. What a shame. Proud of the blooming thing.
You put it a different way earlier on. You want to get your stirrup on there.
There you go. What a shame. In the bin. Don't forget to lift the sock.
When you say sock.
In sock.
Yep.
Now we're going to knock. Nails back through. Get them out in a minute. I'll just come over here. Take a couple of the stitches out, start it off.
Upstairs. Yeah, it's creeping up a little bit lighter. 3 minutes every day now, I think it is.
Is it nice working on a new pair?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Especially triggers. For some reason, their stitches come out all in one. So nice.
Is this just with new ones, or? Because this boot's never been worn, has it?
No, brand spanking now.
Do we know it fits him?
Yeah.
How?
Been sent out to him.
Ah, do you know?
We're always one step
Hey, they're just learning.
40 years in, I'm learning.
when it's sat now.
Learning. Okay, so your job now with that is to re-stitch it. Now you have to call that stitching out.
Yeah, I've got to stitch that mid back on. Just making sure it's a real good solid base. And then we'll bond on top of the mid.
Yeah.
That one later.
Yeah.
One of these
Fantastic.
little units. Like that.
Look at that, I can scare them off.
Thanks, I was moving out of the way.
Yeah.
I'll take the nails out from the inside with long pliers and.
Yeah.
There you go. What a shame. 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 What a shame.
Yep. So it just show it with the unit on. Let's just have a quick just zoom back out again. Yeah, from the side. Right. So we're getting a similar look, but instead of the stitch track pattern where that doesn't come to the end, you don't see that.
I wonder if it's worth phoning the chap, see if he wants some of that mid ticking out, just so it doesn't look as...
Does look quite chunky, that, doesn't it?
That might be the look he's after, though.
Yeah. I mean, that will be beautiful. So you've got you're going to stitch that together and then bond this.
Yeah.
Bond that on.
At top.
Yeah.
Turn it round and Bob's your uncle, as they say.
Yeah. And do we know why? Does anybody know why that's been done? Just
no idea. I just follow what's on the ticket.
do as I'm told.
I think the guy does some
Customer's
research.
always right.
Yeah, he done some research on it. That's what he wanted.
All right. So he really likes a Vibram unit. Yeah.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Sent him the link.
Sorry.
To,
Sorry, what were you
Sent
saying?
him the link to Charles Birch. You sod.
Yeah.
I sent him the link to Charles Birch and he had a look.
And he said he likes it.
Wanted, and that's what he wanted.
Just yeah.
No.
You're like a midget down there.
Well, I'm not much taller now.
Well, superb. So that's the nails coming out. Not much more to show you than that, really. Nails coming out, and then no, but even then there's not. You're gonna
Finished, it's just going to have
you're gonna scour all that up. Here's the other one.
around it.
It'll get all machined up, stitched back through here. Look, see that? That's just the holes. Paul will hit every hole, stitch that back through, and then bond the victory Vibram. That's the word. Yeah, Vibram.
Montagna.
This unit onto there, and it'll be lovely. Yeah, really nice job. And where with the stitch track, all this was missing, that one. It'll look lovely. It'll look lovely.